Have you ever wondered how a magician pulls off their most impressive tricks? Well, in the world of real estate, conducting a cost segregation study is somewhat like unveiling the magician's secrets. It involves a detailed and strategic process that, when done correctly, can lead to substantial financial rewards. It's like learning the sleight of hand that turns a good investment into a great one by maximizing your tax benefits. Now, why should every commercial property owner consider getting a cost segregation study done? Well, here's a detailed exploration. First, meticulous property analysis. The process begins with a thorough examination of your property. Specialists in cost segregation scrutinize every nook and cranny, from electrical systems and plumbing to finishes and fixtures. Now, this meticulous analysis ensures that personal property assets, often hidden within the broader real estate purchase, are properly identified and reclassified for faster depreciation. Second, detailed documentation. Now, after the physical inspection, the next step is compiling detailed documentation. This includes blueprints, construction documents, and purchase contracts. The goal is to create a comprehensive report that substantiates the findings, providing a clear trail for tax purposes and future audits. It's a detailed proof that supports your claim for faster depreciation, much like how a magician might keep a record of their tricks secret. Number 3, classification and estimation. With the data in hand, specialists then classify assets into proper categories eligible for shorter depreciation lives. They estimate the costs associated with each component, often using sophisticated software and databases. This classification is pivotal as it directly influences the scale of tax benefits you can claim. Fourth, strategic report preparation. The culmination of the process is the preparation of a detailed cost segregation report. This report is not just a document, it's a strategic tool that aligns with tax laws and regulations. It provides explicit details and justifications for reclassifying assets, ensuring that every line item is meticulously accounted for and defensible under scrutiny. Fifth, implementation and ongoing consultation. Finally, the findings of the study are implemented into your financial statements and tax returns, often with the guidance of tax professionals who specialize in real estate. The consultation doesn't end with a report. It continues to ensure that segregation impacts your financial landscape positively and complies with evolving tax codes. Now, if this insight into the process piques your interest, be sure to join us in our next video. We will delve deeper into how to maximize your benefits from a cost segregation study and what pitfalls to avoid to ensure your financial magic trick is flawless every time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios so that you're always keeping updated with the cutting-edge financial strategies that can transform your real estate investments. Do you have any specific questions or topics you would like us to cover in more detail about cost segregation? Please comment below. And let's get a conversation started. Your input helps us tailor our content to your needs, making sure we're helping you unlock the full potential of your investments. I'm Amit Grover, and remember, in the realm of real estate investing, being equipped with the right knowledge and tools isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay